What's up? He's got these for summer pickup. Brown 9, low Liverpool. Color is action red, black, white, new green, and Ryan black. The box. Brown logo in the front. Brown's name on outside the box. Nike logo in the back. Brown logo on the other side. Inside the box, if you can see that Lebron logo. Alright. This shoe is basically color-wise from Bron's owning half for the Liverpool football team. So, this shoe looks like. Alright. I have worn these shoes a couple times, so maybe a little bit dirts and smudges on the bottom, but still in the best condition. So the bottom of the shoe is new green from the heel to the toe, and what's cool about this is that bottom right here is icy, so you can see through it to the Air Max 360 bag. Right under there, the little black things. And you got the brown logo, the white and the black crown. And you got the Air Max 360 bag. A white and action red midsole. And the entire upper part of the shoe is just action red with hyperfused material in the front and the sides. All around, you see. The Nike logo is black with new green, like outlining, I guess, on both shoes. The inside of the shoe is a black Nike logo with the hyperfuse around it. And the tongue of the shoe, LeBron James logo, signature, sorry, right there. It has this like the mesh material on the tongue, and the laces, which are cool. They're red with hints of black right there, right there. And also on the top, bottom of the laces is the LeBron James logo. And the lace tips, I don't know if you can see this. Has LeBron James' signature. Then the lace socks, I guess they are the same new green color as the bottoms and the Nike logo. And back of the shoe, LeBron James logo in white with the, I guess those diamonds are for his number 6, but I don't know. And the inside of the shoe was black with his name in like diamond, I guess you could say. It's actually red also. Now, these shoes, comments about them are they're very extremely comfortable. First time I put them on, they were just wow. Step in them is just comfortable. Again, like you step and they just feel amazing. Also, the red in these is like it just pops like it's like almost like the sun. Just like you can't see on here, it doesn't help, but in real life these are just so nice. Yeah, I know the shoes came out 2 years ago, 2009, not no 10 maybe, and no 11, and this is 2013, but a good shoe for the summer for pickup. So yeah, that's the shoe. LeBron 9 low Liverpool. And this video, like and subscribe. Thanks.